Hi, welcome to another nature walk. Well, here we are in this beautiful, beautiful, almost like a jungle. And I'm approaching the ocean from a very different way. So I think the message today is when you take a risk and you go into nature, sometimes you don't know what appears to be just a path turns into something very, very special and opens up in a way that you even couldn't imagine. And now this is opening up to an incredibly spacious and beautiful, beautiful dune, very powdery sand. And now there's a sign that says that the tide covers the sandbar and that there's a very strong current. So pay attention to the signs, whether they are written or not, and enjoy your day. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. This is really an amazing place. I'm going to turn this so you can see the quiet of the ocean. No one is here, and the sand is like powder. This is an amazing beach. Oh, please take a breath and just give yourself an opportunity to relax and enjoy nature today. A nice deep breath and an exhalation that gives you strength and a desire to keep exploring in nature. Have a great day.